Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Forms exam and options form in just a few simple steps. One of the best things about Google Forms is that it's free, easy to use, and automatically grades quizzes for you. That means less manual work and faster feedback for anyone taking the exam. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Forms. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the Google Forms dashboard. This is where all your saved forms and quizzes are stored. To create a new exam, click on Blank Form. A new untitled form will immediately open. Start by giving your exam a clear title. For example, you could use names like Science Quiz, Employee Assessment, Weekly Test, or Customer Training Exam. Below the title, you can also add a short description explaining the purpose of the test or providing instructions for participants. Now it's time to start creating questions. Google Forms supports different question types, including multiple choice, checkboxes, short answer, drop-downs, and more. For most exams, multiple choice questions are the easiest option because Google Forms can grade them automatically. The first question box is already added for you automatically. Type your question into the question field, then add your answer options below it. If you need more options, simply click Add Option. To create another question, click the plus icon on the right side of the screen. Repeat this process until your exam contains all the questions you want. Now let's turn this form into an actual quiz. At the top of the page, click the Settings tab. Inside the Settings area, look for the option called Make This a Quiz. Enable that option. Once you activate it, Google Forms unlocks quiz features like automatic grading, point values, and answer keys. This is what transforms a regular form into an exam system. Now go back to your questions. Under each question, you'll see a new option called Answer Key. Click on it. Select the correct answer for the question, then assign a point value. For example, you might give each question 1 point, 5 points, or any scoring system you prefer. You can also add answer feedback if you want. This feature allows you to display explanations, corrections, or learning resources after someone submits the exam. For example, if a student selects the wrong answer, you could provide a short explanation to help them understand the correct one. After configuring the answer key, click Done to save your settings for that question. Then repeat the same process for every question in your exam. Now, here are a few useful tips before you publish your quiz. First, make important questions required so participants can't skip them accidentally. Second, keep your questions clear and easy to understand to avoid confusion. Third, mix question types if you want a more engaging exam experience. And finally, always preview your quiz before sharing it. To preview the form, click the eye icon near the top right corner of the screen. This allows you to see exactly what participants will experience. Take the quiz yourself and verify that questions, scoring, and answer keys work correctly. Once everything looks good, click the Send button. From there, you can email the exam directly, generate a shareable link, or embed it into a website or online classroom platform. Google Forms will automatically collect responses and grade quizzes based on the answer keys you created. You can review scores and submissions directly inside the Responses tab or connect everything to Google Sheets for deeper analysis and record keeping. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can create a professional online exam using Google Forms quickly and easily without needing special software or technical skills. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, feel free to share it with others who want a simple way to create online quizzes and assessments. See you in the next video.